smuggling case, gold case, and many questions being raised there as well about protocols at airports. Okay, the CBI officials landed at Congress MP Baghel's resident properties in Bhilai and Raipur over the Mahadev betting scam case. This is one of the other stories we are tracking right now, where CBI has been carrying out its investigation. Here's a detailed report. Take a look.
Days after ED searches at former Chhattisgarh CM Bhupesh Baghel's son Chaitanya, the CBI sleuths landed at Congress MP Bhupesh Baghel's residential properties in Bhilai and Raipur. The CBI raids were conducted in connection with the Mahadev betting app scam case. The probe agency continued the raid and search operations for over 14 hours. Hitting out at the BJP, Baghel said that the Saffron Party is frustrated and called the investigation a conspiracy against him.
कोई सवाल नहीं और कोई दस्तावेज नहीं, केवल संपत्ति, वही संपत्ति रमन सिंह पहले जांच करवा चुका था, वही संपत्ति ईओडब्ल्यू वाले जांच कर लिए, वही संपत्ति ईडी वाले जांच कर ले, वही संपत्ति सीबीआई वाले जांच कर लिए। वहां जांच किए, उसकी जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा? मेरे उपस्थिति नहीं हुआ, ना मेरे कोई परिवार के सदस्य, तो मेरे परिवार के सदस्य तो यही थे। ये षड्यंत्र इनका चल रहा है। मोबाइल ले गए, मेरे मोबाइल पिछले समय चैतन्य मोबाइल ले गया था, अभी मेरे मोबाइल ले गए 3 को, उस समय 2 मोबाइल ले गए जांच के दौरान। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि षड्यंत्र तो है।
Congress MP Baghel also took a sharp dig at Prime Minister Modi and said people with 56-inch chest cannot do anything.
क्यों कार्रवाई उस पर नहीं कर रहे हैं? डबल इंजन की सरकार है, 56 इंच का सीना है, विश्व गुरु है, और ये यहाँ के अधिकारी क्या बोल रहे थे? कारण मीडिया वाले का आपको मालूम है, 1 सप्ताह के अंदर में सौरभ चंद्राकर छत्तीसगढ़ की जेल में होगा। बोला था कि नहीं बोला था? अभी बोला था।
1.5 साल बीत गया
और आज तक उसका तो पता नहीं।
Sharpening his attack on Prime Minister further, Baghel highlighted the timing of the raids, saying through CBI raids, content of Prime Minister's speech is being prepared for his upcoming visit to the state. It remains unclear as to which case the CBI is probing corruption cases related to the illegal Mahadev betting case and the recruitment in CPSC.
After bike-borne gunmen killed the BJP leader in Ranchi, the party has asked for the resignation of the JMM Chief Minister Hemant Soren. The incident has now triggered protests in the city, with BJP demanding immediate action. Listen into this report as we highlight the latest coming in on the story.
Protests erupted in Ranchi after a BJP leader was killed by bike-borne gunmen in broad daylight. The deceased was identified as Anil Tiger, the opposition BJP's Ranchi Rural District General Secretary. Alleging that the law and order collapsed in the state ruled by the JMM-led coalition, BJP State President Babulal Marandi has demanded the resignation of Chief Minister Hemant Soren.